welcome to our office. So pleased you're here today. I hear you want to talk about starting your AI journey, so why don't you sit down and we can chat. In every AI implementation that we do when a client is getting started on their AI journey, we come across barriers. And sort of the key ones that you need to be aware of today are, number one, you have to get executive buy-in. You have to really ensure that you have it because it's the single biggest predictor to whether or not your AI implementation will succeed. Number two, branching out from there to the rest of the people in your organization, you need to make sure of two things. Number one, that you really have organizational buy-in from your key stakeholders to ensure that from the executive level on down, that people are going to go with you on that change journey. And you also need to make sure that you have the right skills and people to actually take you on the technical journey and assess whether or not you have any gaps. And then number three is that you need to have a very clear articulation of your problem so that you can assess what success really looks like. And from there, you need to ensure that within that clear articulation of the problem, that you actually have the right technical data and techniques to solve that particular problem. In order to overcome those barriers, and there is no single way to do this, there is no catch-all, I think it's really important that you start with an optimistic attitude. Because without that, as soon as you hit a bump in your road, you're gonna fall off seeing the true success that AI can bring your organization. The second is what you should spend a lot of your time on, which is working with stakeholders and leadership to ensure that you have that ever-critical buy-in. It's really important and cannot be overstated enough. Number three is working on that clear articulation of your problem and ensuring that you really see measurable outputs from there. If you don't obtain value from some of your early start AI use cases, you're not ever going to be able to continue on that journey toward true transformation. I'm so glad you're keen on getting started on your AI journey because here at Deloitte and Omnia AI, we see almost endless potential for artificial intelligence. We're also a bit nervous that if we don't get you started on your AI journey, that we're going to lose the amazing natural resource we've grown here, which is our talent in the AI space. And so we look forward to seeing you really walk the walk within your organizations and try and figure out how we can support you on that journey. Now that you've learned how to get started on your AI journey, what's holding you back?